Hello, my name is Joao Fuentes. I am of the group 1154, a student of the program of Industrial Engineering. In this opportunity, I present the activity travel itinerary of the task 3. The Gacelas Travel Agency, Splendid Putumayo, the end of the world. Be happy enjoying waterfalls and pools of crystal clear waters. We will visit the nature reserve where the sun sets. We will enjoy the Hornoyaco waterfall, the biggest tourist attraction in Putumayo, and with more 70 meters high, we present the waterfall The End of the World, a magical place at the door of the Amazon jungle, where you will feel refreshed. Reaching to reaching the top of the waterfall involves a demanding hike of maximum 2 hours. One of our guides will be accompanying you. If you wish, you can be practicing rappelling in the waterfall. We offer you from the hotel. We will travel by private transport to each of the tourist sites. Stay at the one of our tourist inns overlooking the Mocoa River and the jungle around it. You will enjoy eating typical dishes of the region. We will practice hiking in each of the places we will visit. You will enjoy of the flora and fauna, taking great photos. One of the departments with more natural tourist attractions. Book now by paying 20% of the plan. The Gacelas Travel Agency. Thank you.